meet again in wonderful VB English learning. We will study about introducing oneself. Why? Because about the purpose. The purpose of introducing oneself is to face an interview or to make people know about oneself. And the other is to make conversation with someone new. Do you want to know how to learn it? Let's begin our lesson. Hello everybody. There are two questions comes to our mind when we are in a place and we don't know anyone. The first question is, what do you usually say when you meet someone new? And the second question is, how do you introduce yourself? Sometimes people confuse what to say when they meet someone new. In common ways, people introduce oneself to others for the first time they meet, and they can continue with a certain topic in the conversation. Let's look at the next explanation. When we meet someone new, of course, it will begin with introducing oneself. To introduce yourself, you can start with, "Hello, my name is Vivi," or "I'd like to introduce myself, I'm Vivi." When you introduce yourself, you say your name without a title. However, with children who need help knowing what to call, you can introduce yourself as Uncle Bob or Grandma Vivi if you want them to call you that. After saying hello and your name, you may wish to expand on your introduction with pleasantries such as "good to see you," "nice to see you," or "nice to see you again." Dalam hal ini, untuk berbicara atau membuat percakapan dengan orang yang baru, kita pasti dimulai dengan memperkenalkan diri. Dan setelah memperkenalkan diri, kita menggunakan kata "good to see you," "nice to see you," atau "nice to see you again." Okay, do you find it is difficult to continue the conversation with them after exchanging names? Kadang-kadang kita sering kali kesulitan dalam melanjutkan percakapan setelah kita berkenalan. Mari kita pelajari selanjutnya. Okay, you can start the conversation with these small topics. Jadi setelah memperkenalkan diri, kita bisa mengambil topik-topik simple seperti yang ada di sini. Contohnya, where are you originally from? Where do you live? What brings you here? What do you like to do? Or what do you like to do outside of work or school? What kinds of things interest you? What kinds of things do you do in your free time? Do you like watch or follow any sports or TV series? What about your family? Pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini bisa digunakan untuk melanjutkan percakapan dan bisa disambung dengan materi yang sama. Contohnya, where do you live? I live in Malang. Bisa dilanjutkan dengan can you describe about Malang dan sebagainya. Sehingga percakapan ini bisa berlanjut dengan nyaman. Sometimes we need to decide continue or end the conversation. If we want to continue the conversation, we can talk about some topics. For example, news, entertainment events, recent movies, weekend, holidays plans, or sports. Jadi, dalam percakapan kita bisa memutuskan mau melanjutkan atau mengakhiri sebuah percakapan. Kalau kita mau melanjutkan percakapan, kita bisa mengangkat topik-topik yang ada di daftar ini. The next question is, in what ways we can introduce ourselves? Jadi bagaimana kita bisa cara-cara memperkenalkan diri? Ada dua cara. In short dialogue, in certain place, it can be a direct conversation. Contohnya, kalau kita berada di satu tempat, kemudian kita bertemu seseorang, jadi kita bisa menggunakan dialog langsung. Or in writing letters by mail or email. Kalau ini kita memperkenalkan diri kita dengan melalui surat atau email, sehingga ada yang langsung direct speaking or in writing letters. The next question is, in what ways we can introduce ourselves? Jadi bagaimana kita bisa cara-cara memperkenalkan diri? Ada dua cara. In short dialogue, in certain place, it can be a direct conversation. Contohnya, kalau kita berada di satu tempat, kemudian kita bertemu seseorang, jadi kita bisa menggunakan dialog langsung. Or in writing letters by mail or email. Kalau ini kita memperkenalkan diri kita dengan melalui surat atau email, sehingga ada yang langsung direct speaking or in writing letters. Okay, now let's look at this dialogue about introducing oneself.
Excuse me, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Peter.
By pleasure. I'm Lisa.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I come from Melbourne. Where do you come from?
I come from this town.
By the way, what is your favorite food?
I like meatball very much. It is the best food in here. Do you ever eat it?
No, never. What does it looks like?
It's better going to that restaurant. I know there is the best restaurant near here.
It's good idea. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, this dialogue is the example how to make a conversation about introducing oneself. Nah, jadi dalam dialog tadi saya tunjukkan contoh bagaimana memperkenalkan diri. We have already know about the dialogue how to introduce oneself. Now, in another way of introducing oneself, this is example of writing letter. Jadi tadi kita sudah melihat contoh dari dialog. Sekarang kita akan lanjutkan pada melihat contoh bagaimana memperkenalkan diri melalui surat. Okay guys, this is the example of writing letters about introducing oneself. Kalian tadi sudah melihat, sudah membaca bagaimana menceritakan tentang diri sendiri melalui surat, bisa surat atau email. Okay guys, sometimes we confuse how to end the conversation. I give you some example here. The first is, it was nice meeting you. See you later. The second, I'm sorry, I have to go. I'll see you later. The third, there is someone I want to say hi to over there. Nice talking with you. The last is, I'm going to get drink or some water. Nice to meet you. Ini adalah ungkapan-ungkapan di mana kita bisa mengakhiri sebuah percakapan. Okay guys, are you happy in learning about introducing oneself? I hope that you are happy in learning it and you can practice with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye bye.